Hello and welcome back to another video. Oh my god, am I excited today. So today I'm gonna be doing a money nails video, and I'm super excited because I've been seeing this like everywhere and I've been wanting to try. And now that I got my extra large nail tips, I thought it was like a perfect time to do it. So I started by pushing my cuticles back. That's the only prep I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna cut my cuticles or any stuff like that. And then I picked my tips and I'm gonna use my KDS glue to glue them on. And since I'm going to be popping these nails off when I'm done, I am applying top coat instead of my base coat. So now I'm going to cut to my desired length, and I'm also going to be filing the top of my nails so the polygel can grip better. And now I'm going to do a layer of base coat. And like always, I started out my design by adding a layer of clear polygel. So now I'm gonna add it to all my nails. And guys, look how confident I got here. Oh my god, yes. But you know why I did this? Because Gershion doesn't move. Like, the polygel just stays in place. So that's why I love Gershion. Anyway, so I cut the piece that I wanted to use and I glued it on with my KDS glue. And now I'm gonna be making sure that it's completely flush with the nail. So I file it down, and now I'm gonna add my clear polygel right on top of that to encapsulate it. And now I'm gonna be using my Burn Moth polygel. I'm gonna be using the diamond gold and diamond silver to make an ombre. So now I'm gonna add my little Illuminati pyramid right on the middle finger, and I'm gonna encapsulate that. And after I encapsulate that, I'm gonna add some glitter, encapsulate that glitter, and then add another layer of glitter and encapsulate that. I wanted a black background for my number 1, so I didn't know where I was going to put it, so I did the pointer and the ring finger, and I decided to put on the pointer, and then I encapsulated after that to make sure it doesn't move. And then after I was done encapsulating, I decided to add the In God We Trust, and I also encapsulated that. I wanted the ombre to pop, so I added black on the bottom. And then after that, I added some polka dots to my pinky, and I added some gold and silver polygel, and then I kind of mixed that in and blended it really good. And my brother gave me the idea of putting a 1 on it, so I put another little 1 on there. And then on my ring finger, I put United States. So then I encapsulated everything, so I wouldn't like mess it up with the file. So then I filed and reshaped the nails because they were a little crooked after all that polygel. And then I added my top coat, and then I added some cuticle oil, and there they are, guys. Look how pretty they are. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. They're so stinking cute. I'm so glad I did this idea. I'm just so sad that I had to take them off, but it's just too long. I couldn't do anything with them. Anyway, this is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ooh, by the way, look at that middle nail. It looks kind of 3D, right? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!